Understanding collar stays, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific phrase, collar stays. This might be a new term for many of you, but it's quite common in everyday English, especially when we talk about men's fashion. So, let's dive in and find out what collar stays are and how they are used in daily conversations. Collar stays are small, rigid strips of material, usually made of plastic or metal. They are inserted into specially made pockets on the underside of a shirt collar. The primary purpose of collar stays is to keep the shirt collar pointy and flat against the collarbone. This gives the shirt a crisp, professional look. In the world of men's fashion, collar stays play a crucial role. They are particularly important for business attire or formal wear. Without collar stays, shirt collars can curl or wrinkle, making the outfit look untidy. Knowing about collar stays is essential for anyone who wants to maintain a sharp and professional appearance. Using collar stays is quite simple. Before wearing the shirt, you slide the stays into the pockets on the underside of the collar. It's important to remember to remove them before washing the shirt, as they can damage the shirt or get lost in the laundry. Collar stays are mostly used in dress shirts and are not necessary for casual styles like polo shirts or t-shirts. While plastic and metal are the most common materials, collar stays can also be found in various materials like horn, mother of pearl, or even bony. Some shirts come with built-in collar stays that are not removable. For those who don't have collar stays, temporary fixes like pressing the collar or using starch can help but are not as effective. I hope this video helps you understand what collar stays are and how they contribute to a neat, professional look in men's fashion. Remember, it's these small details that can make a big difference in your appearance and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.